Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to workspace. In this tutorial we will learn how to change the ribbon size in Microsoft Word to make your workspace more comfortable and efficient. Adjusting the ribbon helps improve screen visibility, productivity and focus, especially when working on laptops, small screen, long documents, assignments, reports and professional files. Many users feel the ribbon is either too large or too small but don't know how to customize this properly. This video demonstrates simple effective methods to resize, collapse, expand and customize the ribbon without affecting your document. So let's get started. We can see here a document. Now we can see here the ribbon. Now you want to resize this. Here the button to collapse the ribbon. We can see we collapse this ribbon. Now otherwise you can expand the ribbon, select this option and select the show tabs option. We can see we expand this. Otherwise you can make this using the keyboard shortcut key, press and hold Ctrl on our keyboard and press the F1 functional key. We can see we collapse this ribbon. Otherwise we expand this ribbon, again press Ctrl F1. Now we can see we resize this ribbon very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.